gonna die. How am I okay? My goggles are below my eyes.
As bikers are very easily amused. I promise I have a few brain cells. I hope. Look at this deep breath from Ironman G NCC.
I hope I'm in gear. When is this gate gonna drop? I'll yell sick jump. Oh, I'm gonna get the whole shot. Never mind. There's no way a Yamaha is faster. Seriously, don't hit me. Easy, guys. Alright, I'll sneak through the inside. Oh, there's no one. It's so slick. Just lost so much time. I should have hit that guy. Yeah, jump. These ruts are so weird. I think this section so faster. This roost hurts. Whoa, a SpongeBob barrier. No, I'm getting past. I gotta try to get to the inside of them. I braked way too early. That sucks. This rut is don't mess up. I messed up. This section can suck my balls. I'm going so slow. Shit, screw you, SpongeBob.
This is my ramp. I'm gonna show you how it's done. Okay, watch this. Oh, damn, son! No.
If I'm dying, you dying with me. Ain't no choice.
Yeah, man, these guys with the paddle tires, they're struggling on this top wall where the dirt's hard. Oh, we gotta get that bike. We gotta get that bike. Not good.
My brother thinks we are going to get food.
I'm so hungry. I can't wait to get food.
But today is actually his birthday.
Yo.
Bro, what are we doing at the top of this? Like, I feel like I'm in like a scary movie or something.
Dude, there's a Chipotle up here, I promise.
Bro, there's no Chipotle up here?
Bro, there's a Chipotle, just be patient.
He hasn't made a single friend in college so far. And my mom was telling me he's been going through a lot. So I saved up, and today I'm gonna change his happiness.
Oh, park next to that bike.
Dude, that's someone's motorcycle. You can't just park next to someone's motorcycle. Okay, I guess it's fine.
Oh my god. Dude, they left the helmet there.
Dude, you're not gonna steal their stuff, bro.
Dude, I know, but one day I'm gonna have that set up right there, man.
Yo, come out. It's yours. I swear, dude. I swear. I'm not even kidding, bro. This is your bike. That's why we came up here. Dude, come here, bro.
It's okay, I'm not dead. I'm not dead. I'm not.
And under the new regulations, he cannot change it, so undertook some pretty radical repairs in the hope it will last the distance tomorrow.
We've tried to repair it, patch it up as best we could. We've taped it up so no more dirt goes inside and tries to blow the moose out, and put some zip ties and stuff on it. Just
Oh my god! Oh! Oh my god! Oh fuck! No.
Guarda che Bettina si offende.
Okay, I'm turned. At the party, for a pussy boy.
Body gon' grip that, six shots, make him get back. All that chit chat, riff rap. My niggas ain't into that. Nigga talking hot, but he ain't on shit. I got like 50 rounds up in his clip. If I know
Porco! Non me lo dire, dimmi solo che non l'hai grippata, Sonia. Si è grippata, si è grippata.
Кто на голде проедет, сразу пизда. Кто проедет без ошибок. А чё ты конусы-то сбиваешь-то, а?
Cô níu kéo giữ tay em lại nhưng mà em đi quá xa. Chắc có lẽ có ai đang đợi nên là em chẳng thiết tha.
Mà chạy ẩu gì sợ rồi bấy.